In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get the embed link for a Tableau project. Whether you're looking to share your data visualizations on a website or simply need to embed them into a presentation, this guide will help you quickly navigate through the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to tableau.com. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL tableau.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the Tableau homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in with your credentials. This is essential because you need access to your projects in order to retrieve the embed link. Once you're logged in, you should see a section labeled Recents on your dashboard. This is where Tableau conveniently displays your most recently accessed projects. It's a great feature for quick access, especially if you've been working on something recently. Now, look through this section and find the project for which you need the embed link. When you've located it, hover over the project title. You'll notice 3 little dots appearing on the right side. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in right now is Share. Selecting this option is crucial for our next step. So go ahead and click on Share. Now that you've clicked on Share, a new window or panel should pop up depending on the interface you're using. In this window, you'll find several sharing options, but our focus here is to get the embed link. In this panel, look for the option that says Copy Link or something similar. This is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. Click on Copy Link, and just like that, the embed link for your Tableau project is copied to your clipboard. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained the embed link for your Tableau project. You can now paste this link into a website, an email, or any other platform that supports embedding. It's a straightforward process that allows you to share your work efficiently and effectively. Remember, sharing your data visualizations can make your insights more accessible and engaging for others. So feel free to use the embed link to showcase your work and allow others to interact with your data in a meaningful way. If you have any questions or run into issues, Tableau's support resources are a great place to look for further assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides on using Tableau and other data visualization tools. See you in the next video.